Guys, on 8th of September 2022, now you can see that we have our plant of carrion flower or stapelia gigantea, or it is also called as the stapelia grandiflora. Now you can see that there are a lot of stems, okay, emerging out from the main core stem, okay, and the stems are like very delicate, okay. They are not very much hard like other cactuses, okay. So now we will try to cut out our stems for stem propagation. So let me cut them out. So I have one forceps and one knife. Knife is very sharp, it's just like a razor, okay. So I have cut down my first stem, okay. You can cut it from anywhere, okay. This stapelia can root from anywhere, okay. If you like to cut it from the mid, still it can, okay. Okay, now this is my second stem. I will just try to cut it out. Okay, now I have cut it down. Okay, now this is I am also using the surgical forceps to like grasp the stems or pads, okay. So now we will go for our third stem. Okay, now take a forceps and just cut it out like this, okay. I just like try to cut it out from the from the bottom, okay. Now we have cut down our third one. Now we have cut down total 3 stems, okay. And what about this fourth one? Yes, now you can see that there is also one more succulent. It is called as the Dudelia greeny rose. There is also like there are 3 succulents in this pot, okay. The one is sedum macanoe, which is having green leaves. The other one is Dudelia, okay, Dudelia greeny rose. So now this is fourth stem. And one more thing, that this carrion flower plant is having a flower of very unique type, and its flower is very solid type, okay. And it is having a very pungent or very bad smell, okay. And it usually attracts insects and other small animals that used to come for nectar, etc. So although the flower is good looking, okay, but you are not supposed to smell it out. Okay, now we have cut down another one. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 stems are there. After some days, that is on 10th of September 2022, now our stems are healed, okay. You should have to keep them for drying like for about 3 to 4 days, okay. You can see that all of our wounds are dried up, okay, this and all these things, okay. And they are very hard now, okay. Now you can see that we have taken our media consists of 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. Now we also have taken our disposable glasses. Okay, now you are also supposed to mix the media very well. And why we have used the sand with the garden soil? Because sand used to provide a better drainage. Drainage means that water do not used to reside inside the media. Okay, water do not used to reside inside the media, it will just leave out. This is called as a better drainage. And we know that simple garden soil has a little bit more tendency to reserve or store water. So it is always a good choice to add some pebbles, to add some gravel or even some sand, okay, for better drainage. You are also supposed to put some holes on the bottom of the pots, okay, so excess water will move out. Now we are filling our glasses which are X like pot. Now these are our glasses. We have filled the media. Okay, now give them water. First give them water. Okay, now we will level our media. Okay, now we will level our media, and now even you can see that the water just oozes out from one of the part. It is due to the fact that okay, all the cuttings are put to media. Recording was off for some time. I was not able to record this thing when I was putting these stems into the okay, but you can just take the stem and just like put it in the media, like a half-inch deep, and not more than that. Okay, it will start rooting soon. Okay, so now I have placed all 6 of my cuttings. Okay, I will place the other one as well. Okay, after the video has completed. Okay, so on like after a lot of days, that is on 16th of October 2022. Now you can see that after like 1 month or 1.5 month or even some more days, okay, you can see that now our result is ready. Okay, and our glasses are a little bit destroyed. Why it is so? Because it is due to hell. At one day when I used to come home, there is a very intense hailstorm, and the glasses are a little bit destroyed. Now you can see that they have grown a lot of roots, and their roots are not so much delicate. Okay, they are hard and they are just like tape roots. Okay, rather than fibrous. Okay, so the root bowl is good, and you can also see that our media is very soft due to the addition of sand. Now you can see one more result, and it also has hold a lot of media. Yes, you can see a lot of media. Now you can see all these things. Okay, and our glasses are broken. All the glasses are broken. Okay, due to the hailstorm. Okay, but still our stems are okay. Okay, this cutting has a little bit more roots. Okay, and I can also observe some growth on the shooting side. Okay, I can also observe some growth on the shooting side. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow your stapelia gigantea or stapelia grandiflora within simple soil. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.